Hey guys, what is going on? On today's video, we are out in the garage doing some woodworking, and I purchased a dust collector off of Amazon. I got a WEN dust collector because I'm doing some stuff over here. I'm using my planer, and I'm getting pretty aggravated because the amount of mess and dust that this thing creates. Here, let me show you over here. Creates so much dust and mess, it's absolutely ridiculous. Honestly, check it out. There it is down there. I got a big old pile of shavings and sawdust and just a giant mess that is just really aggravating, and I needed something that was really going to collect this with a 4-inch tube that will help me keep my garage pretty much clean. What we're going to do is we are going to mount this thing right next to the compressor over here. I got a mess over here. I got to get this moved out of the way, and then we're going to go ahead and mount it up over here. But here it is right here in the box. This is the WEN. Pretty simple. It just is a you want something to drink? You thirsty? Basically just a wall mount. You can actually keep it on the ground, but you can also mount it on the wall, which I'm going to do. I want it stationary. I don't want to move it around. I want it out of the way. But this is also another thing that I purchased. It is a 4-inch by 10-foot tubing that will pretty much reach everything. Now, all of my tools right here, as you can see, everything that I have, here, let me turn the camera around. All of my tools, as you can see, they're all on wheels. So my router table, table saw, planer, not that. That is actually has a separate, that I'm actually, because it doesn't create as much dust as everything else, that dude right there is basically just hooked up into a shop vac, which is totally fine. But this is what we're gonna connect up right now by WEN, and by WEN, it is a model 3401, and it was $99 on Amazon. What I'm gonna do is down below in the description, I will put a link to where you can purchase this thing. And yeah, I think you will, well, I hope you'll like it. Hope I like it. So without further ado, we're gonna mount this thing on the wall and then go from there. So here we go. Oh, yeah, no, you go for it. You cut that thing open. All right, so this is the unit right now. What we're doing is we're opening it up. It comes with some instruction manuals. Here we go. Thanks for remembering WEN. You're very welcome. Yep, there it is. Pretty simple. Okay, you got some, yeah, those are the wheels. We're not using this. This right here, we're not using the wheels because we're gonna mount this directly on, we're gonna mount this directly onto the wall. This is gonna face down, I believe, and this is the tube. Gosh, I don't know. We're gonna have to play it by ear. So basically, how heavy is it? Is it heavy? Pretty light? Okay. Ah, that's it. Pretty simple. There should be a bag in it. There it is. It fell out. There it is. So this is the catch bag. Now, I've heard some things where I saw on Amazon where people were complaining that this, but here, look what they upgraded. They fixed it. Check it out. There were some people on Amazon complaining that this was a problem, that it didn't have a zipper, and look, to dump it out. Exactly. So what they did was right here, I'm only one-handed, so hold on. There it is. There it is. Now there's a way that you can unzip this bag, and all the dust collecting in here, you just dump it out into it, dump it right out in a can, so it's good to go. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna clean up that area of the garage, pretty much get that stuff moved over, move the bikes, move that off the wall. I'm just gonna move it over that way, over there, and then we're gonna go ahead and just pretty much get this, I got a tripod here, I'm gonna mount up right here, and we're just gonna mount this on the wall and go from there. Pretty simple, huh?
It's simple.
Simple. So, all right, here we go. Okay, go get your glasses. Right here, if you look on the inside of this, now I'm not gonna recommend this to everybody, but from what I've been reading a lot online is this screen, you're sucking in things here and it's shooting out this way. So shavings like that are on the ground, let me zoom in real quick. Boom, there they are. Okay. They get plugged up inside of that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna take this plastic thing off, remove this screen, put it back, and now that will hopefully prevent this thing from blocking up. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take that thing apart. So these bolts that are holding this cover on are 10mm bolts. So you only need to remove that one right there. There's one right there, and then there's one on the other side. So we're removing these right now. Okay, so we got all 3 off. We're gonna remove that, and boom, there's the screen. There we go. All right, so we got the screen off now, so now we shouldn't have any blockage when it kicks out any dust through the bag. So, all right, without further ado, let's go ahead and, yeah, again, like I said, I gotta clean that all up, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done. Just gotta remember not to put your hand in there. Alright, so what I did was, real quick, I went ahead and put 2 braces that are equally spaced out enough for the holes of the dust collector to mount onto that bracket. So now what I'm going to do is mount that onto the wall, and pretty much that's it. I mean, really, not much rocket science. So let's go ahead and mount it to the wall. Alright, so... Okay. Alright, flip around, see what happens. Let go. Now, let's go wrong way. Wrong way. Okay, you ready? Ready to do this the right way?
Yeah.
All right, so this is our second take on this. We actually did this wrong. This is the intake, and this is where the stuff comes out. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this the right way. Yeah? Just going to twist it on. This is actually a really nice heavy-duty hose. Eventually, I might get another 10-foot piece to make it 20 foot, but I think right now I'm just going to go ahead and use it as is, and then there's some dogs going crazy over there. We're just going to use it as is and then go from there. So we got everything hooked up. We are good to go. What we're going to do is, if you pan down here, we got a nice pile of dust. This was from the planer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just kick this thing on and see how it works. Here's actually the filling right here. So it's all in there. It's all in there. That is it. That is the WEN dust collector wall mount. Now what I did was, I think there's another way that you can mount this up, but I thought that it was best to go ahead and hook it up through these 4 holes right here. Yeah, it's pretty much it. Nothing much to it. So, all right, everybody, in the description below, I will put a link to this WEN dust collector. It actually sounds really good. I think there's a lot of people that said that it vibrated a lot and it made a lot of noises. It's loud. It's got a good volume to it, but otherwise, I don't think it's overly loud. Nothing more than anything else. All right, everybody, that is it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell button, get notified of all of my newest videos. And until next time, make sure you do one thing. Stay awesome, everybody. Stay awesome. Bye. Everybody, I will put in the link in the